Hey Captain, carry on here. Welcome back. If you've ever looked at your suitcase and thought, why is this still in here? You're not alone. Today I'm breaking down the most outdated travel items that you're still seeing in airports, on flights, and cluttering hotel rooms in 2026. These are the unnecessary, bulky, inconvenient, or just plain outdated travel tools that are holding you back. And of course, I'll share smart, modern replacements to help streamline your next trip. Let's jump straight in, because item number one is in almost everyone's closet, whether they admit it or not. And if you want a smooth airport experience from start to finish, I've added a trusted airport transfer service in the description. No hidden charges, no guessing. Check it out. And if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next travel update. The old school neck pillow. You know the one. It's the big, puffy, U-shaped pillow that half the time ends up strapped to the outside of someone's backpack like an extra limb. It's awkward, it takes up too much space, and truthfully, it never supported your neck the way you hoped. Neck support tech has evolved. What to use instead? Look into memory foam or brace-style neck pillows with compact designs, and more importantly, ones that compress into a third of their size. Some even strap to your seat's headrest. That old floppy pillow? Leave it at home, or better, donate it. Bulky toiletry cases. I used to carry a giant, everything in the bathroom sink toiletry case. It made sense. Who wants to be without your skincare routine, right? But here's the problem. Those old cases are massive, heavy, and honestly, they're permission slips to overpack. Instead, update to modular toiletry kits that have one TSA-compliant liquids pouch and flexible pouch-based sections that can slide directly into slim parts of your carry-on. Bonus tip, pack your evening face cream in a contact lens case, one for cheeks, one for forehead. Trust me, 5 days worth in your palm. Paper boarding passes. Okay, this one's not a product, but it's definitely outdated. If you're still printing boarding passes or carrying a manila folder with your documents, we need to talk. Most airlines now offer app-based check-ins, mobile boarding passes, and real-time gate change alerts. A phone with an airline app, and yes, a screenshot backup, is your new boarding pass. If you're worried about battery life, keep a small, reliable charger in your personal item. Just don't clutch that crumpled printout like it's 2012. Anti-theft hidden money belts. These were all the rage for good reason, but they've aged poorly. Here's the issue. To access anything inside the belt, you've got to fumble under your clothes, take your eyes off your surroundings, and basically announce to anyone watching that something valuable is hidden on your body. Instead, the smarter 2026 traveler divides and hides. One credit card inside your wallet, one inside an inner zipped pocket, and another back at your hotel safe. No more body contortion trying to retrieve a passport from your waistband in a cafe bathroom. Have peace of mind and practicality. Travel adapters without USB-C compatibility. Most old universal adapters are bulky, lack power optimization, and worst of all, don't even support USB-C. 2026, there's no excuse for schlepping around a brick with slide-out plugs that works in 19 countries but takes 15 minutes to figure out. Go for sleek, smart adapters that have built-in voltage regulation, 2+ USB-A ports and USB-C, so you can charge a phone, tablet, and laptop all at once. Light, reliable, compact. Bonus if it has a surge protector, travel lighter, charge smarter. Non-rolling duffel bags. This one's controversial. People love their duffel bags, but here's the truth. Unless it's a short overnight, they just don't cut it for modern travel. Long terminals, narrow aisles, and backpacks that crush your spine, you deserve better. Upgrade to a spinner carry-on with a soft side and built-in compartments, or if you're adventurous, try a rolling backpack with hidden straps. The key is versatility and posture. Your back will thank you, and you'll breeze past travelers hunched under the weight of a duffel. Large daily wallets. Here's what I used to do. Pack my everyday wallet full of every card, membership, and punch card I own, just in case. Big mistake. Instead, bring a minimalist RFID blocking wallet that carries essentials only. Passport card, travel credit card, health insurance info, and one backup. That's it. Most people aren't paying in cash anymore. And if they are, a folded $20 in your pocket does the trick. Also consider adding a wallet tracker. They look like a card, but use Bluetooth to help you find your wallet if it walks away without you. Let's call that peace of mind in your pocket. Before Before we continue, if you're finding value in this breakdown so far, make sure to tap that like button. It helps more travelers like you cut down on stress and level up their packing game. And if you want the full outdated travel item checklist with modern suggestions and my exact packing sources, you'll find that free download in the description. Seriously, don't miss it. It'll save you dozens of dollars and a ton of suitcase space. Now let's keep the momentum going because the next few might surprise you. Oversized makeup and skincare kits. Look, I understand the temptation, especially if you're headed somewhere photogenic or warm, but stuffing your suitcase with full-size bottles, massive pallets, or just-in-case creams, it backfires. These kits are bulky, heavy, often oversized for TSA, and encourage unnecessary products you won't actually use. Here's the rule I follow. If you didn't use it twice in the past week at home, you don't need to pack it. Opt for travel-size staple items, solid cleansers, and multi-use creams. And for makeup, limit yourself to one eyeshadow quad, one blush, and your go-to lip color. Trust me, your vacation glow will handle the rest. Heavy shoes for every occasion. The classic overpacking mistake. One pair of sneakers, one for hiking, one for dinner, flip-flops, then somehow sandals sneak in too. Shoes are suitcase killers. They take space and weight fast, and most people only end up wearing 2 out of the 5 they pack. Instead, go with this. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane, pack one versatile pair, think slip-on neutral flats or sneakers you can dress up, and consider waterproof styles if weather demands it. If arch support matters, pack light insole, and forget the heels just in case. That case never comes. Ponchos or flowy outer capes, especially on flights. They look cozy, but they work horribly inside airplanes. Oversized garments like ponchos or large wraps tend to bunch up behind your back, spill into your neighbor's space, and make getting up mid-flight needlessly complicated. Instead, go for a warm, fitted layer like a zip-up fleece or lightweight wool sweater. You'll stay warm without wrestling with fabric in tight spaces. And if you need a true rain barrier, pack a foldable, lightweight waterproof jacket. It does the job without turning you into a flying bedsheet. Compressible packing cubes. Packing cubes are great when they're the right kind, but those floppy, oversized zip-up versions, they hold too little, take up too much, and don't actually compress anything. Trade those in for zip compression cubes that flatten your clothes and create actual space. I organize mine by outfit, day wear, sleepwear, and one for just worn items to stay fresh. It's not just neater, it's smarter. Non-dual voltage hair tools. Let's be honest, there's no worse feeling than plugging in your $150 curling iron abroad and instantly hearing a pop. A lot of traditional hair dryers, straighteners, or curlers won't survive voltage outside North America unless you use a heavy, clunky converter. And even then, they often fry. Solution? Invest once in a dual voltage version of your favorite hair tool. They exist, they're reliable, and they eliminate the need for a voltage converter altogether. Just remember to pack the correct plug adapter. Easy win. Teen. Wired headphones with no case. Packing wired headphones just in case seems harmless, until they end up tangled in your lip balm or crushed at the bottom of your tote. Plus, most of the old wired styles, especially over-ear ones, need a case unless you like bent arms and dust in the speakers. Instead, bring compact, wireless earbuds with a secure case. Add a tiny silicone cord that keeps them from disappearing mid-flight, especially if you tend to fall asleep with them in. And if you like backup plans, pack a wired pair with a small case so you're not fishing for audio in your chapstick. Before you go, if you want stress-free travel beyond the airport, book your ride through the airport transfer service link below. Reliable drivers, fixed prices, and 0 last-minute surprises. And don't forget to subscribe. Our next travel guide will save you even more time and money. Wrap up future-proofing your travel bag. So let's recap. None of these old items are bad. They just belong to a version of travel that's, well, behind us. Packing lighter, smarter, and intentionally is the key to less stress, more space, and feeling like a well-prepared modern traveler. And don't worry if you've used some of these recently. We all have. The goal isn't perfection. It's knowing how to adapt your packing to match the way people actually travel now. Digitally, flexibly, and with simplicity in mind. If this list helps spark even one aha moment, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this kind of travel, smarter content matters, and it helps me bring you more real-life, low-stress packing tips. Also, I put together a free printable checklist of all these outdated items and their replacements. Keep it handy when packing or save it on your phone. It's linked right below in the description. Let's make the next trip lighter before you even zip the suitcase. And hey, did I miss something? Is there a travel item you think is outdated that I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. I always love hearing what other savvy travelers like you are noticing in airports, planes, and hotels around the world. Thanks for watching and safe travels.